Preparation for the placements began way before during our internship process itself. We underwent through various live projects, certification courses, and we revised the concepts which we learned in the first year in order to get ready for the process. The placement coordinators were there with us throughout the process, ensuring that each and every student is confident and well prepared. They brought in various alumni from different companies who guided us on how to prepare for specific roles. They also arranged one-on-one mock interviews, special classes, and they also met us regularly in order to ensure that each and every person is prepared and to know the requirements of the students. They also brought in various different companies with different roles in all the domains pertaining to the specifications of the students, which helped all the students to get placed in their desired jobs. Last but not the least, a small advice from my side. Please be prepared with all the concepts, be clear with all the concepts, be confident, and don't take tension. Thanks a lot.